Hey, this is Laura from Purl Soho, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to work two purl-wise decreases on the purl side of the fabric. As you can see here though, I have the knit side of the fabric facing, and that's to show you the result of these decreases. A purl two together, or P2 TOG, creates this right slanting line when you work it, similar to a knit two together. And an SSP, or slip slip purl, creates this left slanting line when you work it, and it mimics an SSK, or slip slip knit. All right, let's get into it. All right, I'm ready to purl two together. What I'm gonna do is first make sure my working yarn is on the front of my work, towards me, like this. Next, I'm going to take the tip of my right needle and insert it into both the first and second stitch on the left needle from back to front as if to purl. After that, I'm going to take my working yarn and wrap it counterclockwise around the right needle. Then I'm going to slowly and gently pull this needle through those stitches, creating this new stitch, at which point I can let these two stitches fall off the left needle. And there we have it. We've purled two together and I've decreased one stitch. All right, now let's get into SSP, or slip slip purl. But first, a quick note, there are a couple ways to work this decrease. I'm gonna show you the way that mimics our SSK video in case you're working these two decreases in tandem. So let's get into it. First, I want to make sure my working yarn is at the front of my work, so we're ready on that front. Next, I'm going to slip one purlwise. I'm going to take the point of my tip of my right needle, insert it into this first stitch as if to purl, so from back to front, and slip it off that left needle. Next, I'm going to slip one knitwise. Again, taking the point of my right needle, inserting it into this first stitch, but this time from front to back as if to knit, and slip it off that left needle. Now I want to transfer these two stitches back over to my left needle. So I'm going to kind of nudge them up towards the point of my right needle so that I can slip the tip of my left needle in while I pull the right needle out. And there, we've transferred these stitches over. All right, now let's get into the actual decreasing step. I'm going to insert the tip of my right needle into the back legs of these two stitches. I'm going to insert it into the second stitch first and then the first stitch. So let me show you how. So just kind of have to contort your stitches a little bit. There we go. Once you've done that, take your working yarn, wrap it counterclockwise around the tip of your right needle, pull that right needle through those two stitches, let the stitches fall off the left needle, and that is an SSP. We've decreased one stitch.